Hi friends, welcome to another Sunnyside design video. Today we're going to share how we decorated my front porch and my small front patio for Halloween this year to make it spooky for the trick-or-treaters. I found this fun black and white striped rug on Amazon. We'll link it for you in the description, and the fun Happy Halloween mat I found at Home. I decided to bring out one of my chairs from inside to set my Werewolf Skeleton on this year. I picked up this Werewolf Skeleton last year at Target. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And the fun black and white pumpkin that my little skeleton guy here is holding came from Home Goods this year. Instead of a wreath on my front door this year, I thought I would bring out my skeleton mirror and hang that on my door instead. It makes it extra spooky. The other area I wanted to decorate in my front yard this year was my little front patio courtyard area. And so I brought out the black and white striped rug. I picked that up at Michael's this summer, and I think that will be really fun with just a little bit of orange from pumpkins and pillows. I'm going to dress up my skeleton as a Frenchman this year. I'm going to add a little black mustache and a bow tie, and then I picked up this little beret for him. Watch for more videos this week as I share how I decorate the inside of my house for my big Halloween party. We hope you've enjoyed this little tour of decorating the outside of my home for Halloween this year. Please let us know what your favorite part of decorating my porch and my little patio is. And thanks for watching a Sunnyside design video where we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.